Hi, bankruptcy attorney Brian Barboza here, and today I'm going to discuss what are the key factors that indicate bankruptcy may be necessary. Before we get started, if bankruptcy is something that you are interested in talking more about or want to explore, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through my website. Okay, so what are the key factors that indicate a bankruptcy may be necessary? As a bankruptcy attorney, I meet with a lot of people, and I see trends, and this video is really for the consumer, for the individual, for the household. It's not really for a business. So the key factors would be, number one, your income is not enough after you pay all your necessary living expenses to pay your debts. What I mean by this is after you pay your mortgage or your rent and your car payment and your utilities and your food, you don't have enough money left over to pay your debt. If that is your scenario, then bankruptcy may be your best remedy. Another common factor is you have been sued. Usually it's a lawsuit that's brought against you for something like an unpaid credit card bill or a personal loan, or maybe a car loan you had, the car was repossessed, and now they're suing you for the unpaid balance. So when you get sued, or if you get a judgment rendered against you, that's usually an indicator that you may need to file a bankruptcy in order to get rid of that judgment. A judgment that's issued against you can be very disruptive financially because they can garnish wages, levy bank accounts, and put liens on assets that you own, like real estate. So if you've been sued, that is an indicator that bankruptcy may be a necessary remedy. Another key factor or indicator would be that you have fallen behind on your mortgage payments. If you fall behind your mortgage payments, I don't think it's any secret your lender will at some point start foreclosure proceedings, and they will eventually foreclose and sell your home out from under you. So if you have fallen behind on your mortgage, that is a key indicator that bankruptcy may be your best option. And there's a specific type of bankruptcy called a Chapter 13 that is actually designed to help people in that predicament catch up on their mortgage payments, stay in their home, and after about a 5-year process, you should be caught up on your mortgage and saved your home from foreclosure. There's other reasons, but another one I see is if you are dealing with old tax debt. Old tax debt sometimes can be discharged in a bankruptcy case. Tax debt is very complicated when it comes to bankruptcy discharges, but generally speaking, if the tax return was due more than 3 years ago, the tax return was in fact filed more than 2 years ago, and you didn't wait so long that the government filed what's called a substitute return on your behalf, and the government has assessed that tax return within the last 180 days, the last 240 days, then that tax debt might be dischargeable in a bankruptcy case, and any tax debt that is more recent than that could be paid out over a 5-year period. So there is some tax relief that can be obtained in a bankruptcy case, but again, taxes are very complicated when it comes to bankruptcy. So these factors, as I mentioned, indicate that bankruptcy might be your best remedy. Now, I'm not saying if you have these things to go down and file bankruptcy. I'm saying if you have these issues, you should meet with a bankruptcy attorney to figure out whether or not bankruptcy is a good alternative for you. Bankruptcy is very complicated. There are a lot of pitfalls and traps you can fall into. So you want to make sure that you do talk to some bankruptcy professional to make sure bankruptcy is an appropriate remedy. That's it. Those are the factors that I see over and over again that indicate someone may need to file a bankruptcy case. Again, if you want to talk about bankruptcy or explore your bankruptcy options, please feel free to give me a call or book an appointment to speak with me directly through my website, barbozalaw.com. I would like to talk to you. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care.